I'm Josh.
And I'm Allison.
And welcome to the Earthadelic Roadshow. Welcome to the Roadshow. Today we start out on the lake, all the way out in Spring City for this fantastic new dock project.
I think you were trying to kill me on those back roads though.
It was quite a drive to get out here.
It was, I don't know how our guys pulled the trailer to get it back here, but you know, we'll make it happen. If you want a new dock, we'll make it happen for you.
Certainly impressive. This dock has all the fixings. Let's go check it out. So this dock was designed in-house by our Earthadelic architectural designer, and as you can see, it has plenty of fantastic features. We have not one, but two bays, two slips for you to pull multiple boats in, and we'll have an automatic boat lift on both of them. That'll be installed a little bit later. We've got some storage space back here and some beautiful dormer windows that are gonna create a nice little bit of sunlight when you're here at the dock relaxing, and then give you a fantastic look when you're coming in from the lake.
All right, like Josh said, we made it out to Spring City to this beautiful dock that our architectural designers put together for this home out on the lake. And we are using composite decking throughout. We have got Frankie back here working on a barge, which is a little precarious, but you know, he's making it happen. And he's a lot braver than I am. Some of my favorite features in this place though are the dormers. That really just adds an extra element of dimension to the space. It brings in more light. It makes it more homey. I really love those touches to this dock. It makes it more unique and just particular to this place.
All right, stop number 2. We've made it out to Farragut, Choto, if you're nasty.
You and your Janet Jackson references, I swear. Yeah. Anyway, so we're out here looking at a deck that we completely took off the house, and now we've put it back up. We've got the framing done, and we're putting up the composite decking. So let's show you guys all the different elements that are we're putting into this deck.
So as you can see, this deck runs the entire length of the house. In fact, it even wraps around it on this side. We're working on the composite decking right now. We've started on this side and we're moving across the house, so can't quite get up here all the way because there's no floor yet. Lots of cool components with this. This portion, of course, covered. It's gonna be screened in, so it'll give you a little bit of indoor-outdoor space. And over on that side, there's gonna be an exit from the master bedroom, and they'll have a little bit of a privacy corner there on the deck. These customers already had an existing pool and nice landscaping, and we're able to come in with this construction project and completely change the space out here. It's going to be absolutely beautiful when it gets done.
Well, I'm about to melt out here in this heat. I'm not made for this kind of weather, Josh. We need to get out of here pronto, please. Anyway, so this is one of our purely construction jobs, and we were able to hop on these pretty quickly, build you a new deck, build you a new outdoor seating area to hang out in. And this is one of our favorite projects, just to knock out, get you a new living area quickly, and let's get your project started today.
All right, last stop of the day, we have made our way out to the Ebenezer area, and we have this existing pool that had fallen into disrepair, and we're coming in, and not only are we going to get it up and going, we're gonna change everything about it.
Yeah, the plan was a little overwhelming when I looked at it. I started listing off things, and I think Josh told me to shut up at some point. So let's get into it.
Yeah, ton to cover. All right, let's start with the pool itself. When we came out here, this pool was a swampy green mess, but now we've got a brand new design, and we're gonna completely change almost everything about it. As you can see, the existing shell starts with a shallow end that moves into a deep end. That's gonna stay the same, but that's about the only thing. There's a tanning ledge here that is not quite appropriate size for a tanning ledge, so we're gonna have to bring it up. There was no spa on this pool, so you can see we're digging out over here where we're gonna get ready to start building a spa and add it on. And the coolest part, this huge wall behind me, we're gonna re-engineer it. There's gonna be a massive jump rock that comes out to where you can jump in the pool, and under that jump rock, a waterfall. Absolutely stunning.
All right, where I'm standing, there used to be a man-made stream that came up this hill and trickled down into the pool. There was some more stonework and rock work down here that kind of looked mountainy. So we've taken all of that out, and like Josh said, we're gonna put in a new jump rock down here that's gonna cantilever over a little bit further. And then there's a whole new landscaping plan going in up here, and all new lighting. It is gonna be gorgeous up here. And then if you follow me down the hill, we've got a little bit more work coming in. Where I'm standing now, we're going to relocate the pool equipment over here. We're first going to use our friends at Made Easy Concrete to pour a 10 by 15 foot pad over here, I believe, to relocate the pool equipment and reinstall all of that, upgrade it, make it all new and shiny. And then we're also going to pour some footers potentially for a new building that's going over here, but that's still kind of in the works. Don't quote me on that one yet. but I will definitely update you if we decide to do that building. And then behind me, or behind Josh actually, we are gonna completely redo the pool decking with travertine, and that is gonna look absolutely gorgeous. Just set everything off with this new pool.
All right, as you can hear, the guys are hard at work. They are taking advantage of the daylight, although I don't know how they do it in this heat.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
So we went to 3 different projects today. An amazing boat dock out in Spring City.
Way, way west.
Yep, and then we hit a fantastic deck project out in Farragut and finished the day here in Ebenezer with a pool project.
Yeah, I can barely hear you over this rock. I hope you can hear us. But anyway, those types of projects are the types of things that we can get started pretty quickly for you guys. So if you're interested in getting your deck project, pool refurbish project started today, give us a call. The phone number is 865-806-1125.
Yeah, let us design the backyard of your dreams. Don't fall.
Like Indiana Jones.
I walked over a 1-foot gap. I'm Indiana Jones.
The penitent man. You don't remember like the rocks?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. No, not that one. The rocks that fall through the floor.
You said the penitent man,
that
though.
is
That's
the-
from Last Crusade.
That is yeah, it is Last Crusade. That is the
Raiders of the Lost Ark's what you're talking about, though. The first one.
oh
Beginning.
yeah.
No, that's Last Crusade too, because Jehovah starts with an I.
Right.
Remember?
That's it. Yeah. Okay.
Is this recording?
Yep. Our nerd level just went through the roof.